The God who sees you.
The
God who has heard your prayers.
And
we will pray unto God for a few minutes this morning. I wanted to make this message short but extend it to be more of a prayer day. I made it very short because I want to spend time in praying with you. I want to pray with you, and therefore I made this message short. I want you to open your heart this morning. As you heard this word El Rohi, and as Hagar sat at the well at the fountain and cried unto God, open your heart this morning. Open your heart and speak to God. Ask Him, Lord, have mercy on me. Lord, visit me. As you visited Hagar, visit me, God. And when Jesus saw the people, their lives changed. The Bethesda pool man was healed after 30 years. When Jesus saw, his life changed. When Jesus saw Zacchaeus, his life changed. Zacchaeus and his whole family's life changed. This morning, ask God to watch over you. Ask God to visit you. Ask God to see you. One glimpse from His sight will change your life. One word from His mouth will change your life. Ask God this morning. El Rohi, Lord have mercy on us. Lord have mercy on me. Hear my cry, O Lord. Hear my cry, O Lord. Lord, visit me. Answer my prayers. Lord, give me clarity in my future. Give me breakthrough in every areas of my life. Lord, I'm tired of these battles, of the challenges. Give me victory. Give me victory. You are a God who hears. You are a God who sees. You are a God who answers. This morning, Father, hear our prayers. See your life. El Rohi, the God who watches us. We worship you, Jesus. Speak unto God as His presence is moving in the midst. The same angel who spoke to Hagar, the angel gave him the right advice, gave her the right advice. And God also gave her a promise, a prophecy. And this morning, the Lord is giving you a promise, a prophecy that the Lord has heard your prayers.
అన్నాడు, అది నీ ప్రార్థన నేను విని ఉన్నానని.
The Lord has heard your prayers.
ప్రభు నీ ప్రార్థన ఆలకించినాడని.
The Lord is going to grant the desires of your heart.
ప్రభు నీ హృదయ వాంఛలు తీర్చడానికి ఇష్టపడగలిగి ఉన్నాడు.
In Psalms 121 I said, the Lord will not sleep nor slumber.
121వ కీర్తనలో రాయబడిన ఆయన నిత్యం ఆయన కునుకడు నిద్రపోడు.
The God of Israel will not sleep nor slumber.
ఇశ్రాయేలును కాపాడువాడు కునుకడు నిద్రపోడని కీర్తనలో రాయబడింది.
Watching over you.
ఆయన ప్రతి క్షణం నిన్ను చూస్తూ ఉన్నాడు.
He is El Rohi.
ఆయన ఎల్ రోహిగా ఉన్నాడు.